Did you know that incorrectly citing a YouTube video could make your entire research paper invalid? Yes, you heard that right. Every year, thousands of students lose marks or even fail assignments just because of citation mistakes. But don't worry, I have got you covered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to cite a YouTube video in MLA format, step by step. Stick with me until the end because I'll also reveal the top 3 most common mistakes that can get your work flagged for plagiarism. Now let's start with the question, why even cite a YouTube video in MLA format? Well, YouTube isn't just for entertainment anymore. It's a goldmine of educational content. TED Talks, university lectures, expert interviews, and real-world case studies. In fact, over 500 hours of video are uploaded on YouTube every minute. That means chances are, if you're writing a paper, you'll probably need to cite a YouTube video at some point. So let's get straight to the correct MLA citation format. Here's the structure you need to follow. Channel name within inverted comma, video title, YouTube within comma, uploaded by within bracket, uploader's name, comma, date, comma, URL. Sounds simple, right? But let's break it down with a real example so you don't make any mistakes. Let us take an example from our channel. Imagine you're citing a video from YT SEO course published on March 5th, 2025, titled 7 Worst Money Mistakes to Avoid When You Are Broke. Your citation should look like this. YT SEO course dot 7 worst money mistakes to avoid when you are broke within inverted comma, YouTube comma, uploaded by YT SEO course comma, 5th March dot 2025. Then the URL. Now let's talk about in-text citations. This is where most people mess up. When referring to a YouTube video in your paper, MLA requires you to cite it like this. For example, within bracket YT SEO course 2:45 if you're quoting something from the 2-minute 45-second mark of the video. This is super important, especially if you're referencing a specific part of the video for evidence or analysis. Quick fact, over 60% of students misformat their in-text citations when citing online videos. Don't be one of them. Now, what if the video has no clear author? Simple. Just use the channel name instead. If the video has no publication date, use n.d. within inverted commas instead of the date. Example, YT SEO course dot 7 worst money mistakes to avoid when you are broke within inverted commas dot YouTube comma uploaded by YT SEO course comma n.d. comma then the link. Alright, now let's talk about the 3 biggest MLA citation mistakes that can cost your marks or even get your paper rejected. Mistake number 1, forgetting to italicize the video title. Number 2, using the uploader's real name instead of the channel name. Mistake number 3, skipping the upload date or URL. Now, here's something shocking. Professors and journal reviewers are actively checking citations for accuracy using plagiarism detection software. Even one small mistake can raise a red flag, so always double check your sources before submitting your paper. And that's it. You're now officially an MLA citation expert. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another academic tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.